so much for joining me. And this is my little effort to be with my friends because I'm always traveling. And I thought it would be so good to hang out with all my friends and dine with them.
It's a fantastic
So thank you. Thank you, Pooja. All the way from LA dining with me. Okay? Arjun, so busy, but
Location
took out time. Location nahi batana.
LA के बाद
And-
location मत बता.
And Ahana's movie is just releasing, guys.
I know.
She's done this movie called Lipstick Under My Burqa. And I think we should chat about it.
So it was premiered in Tokyo last year.
Okay. Missed your movie's name. Say again.
It's called Lipstick Under My Burqa.
Lipstick Under My Burqa. What a unique name.
So that was the English title that was actually supposed to be going into festivals. The film was originally called Lipstick Bali Sapne for the India release, but that didn't happen because it was banned in India.
I thought as much. नाम ही ऐसा डरावना.
Don't talk like Mr.
About? What is this movie all
So the
about?
film talks about 4 women across different age groups, and it talks about women and their sexuality and how women deal with their sexuality. So, there's a 60-year-old who's dealing with her sexual desires, then there is a 40-year-old who's dealing with her sexual desires.
In India.
In India.
And
In a small town called Bhopal. Then there is a 30-year-old who's like two-timing two people and having a great sex life.
I'm sure that's you.
Is that you?
Great sex life.
No, I'm in the 30s.
Yeah, I'm not like, I'm pretty brutal about my age. and then there's a 20-year-old who's like fighting for her rights to wear jeans.
Oh wow.
Oh my God.
You know, so
Like, really?
What sect is this?
there is
That
a
they have to
sect.
fight for jeans.
So tell me,
There is, there is.
you really
No?
have sex scenes in the movie?
Yeah, there was.
You really?
Yeah.
I mean,
No,
so
you
what,
didn't.
was it like
Arjun is
very curious to know how was it like staged? Like,
Yes, so they were staged and there were really hilarious moments because I never thought when I was filming those scenes that
Sex is always hilarious anyway.
no. So no, on screen it can be really awkward on screen, you know. I don't know. I should ask your wife. Is it hilarious?
Of course. हमारे पास proof है यार. इतना सुंदर बच्चा तभी होता है.
बच्चे हो गए. Yeah, so there were like proper sex scenes that were filmed and
How was that? How was that
very
filming
interesting. I mean, I was very. बच्चे ऐसे हो गए ना.
I see.
Corporate चिमनी से.
मैं एक फिल्म बना रहा हूँ. Eyeliner under my कंदूरा. कंदूरा होता है ना पहले.
beeps.
I didn't say any. I didn't use any foul language.
This would be all beep 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 beep.
Kandura is, you know, that they wear na that.
What is? I don't know what a tandura is.
कंदूरा वो जो ओमान में लोग पहनते हैं ना.
Tandura.
whatever it
is. You should not say anything about Oman.
I love
No,
Oman.
but in our country we can say what the hell we want. Oh no.
No, in the sense ki that dress is called whatever they
In
wear.
India we can say what we want. It's freedom of speech.
It will be banned.
It'll be banned. Even YouTube. Pooja, you talk about your movie.
Yeah, tell us about your
Um,
movie.
कोई
My-
इसको skip कर दिया बीच में.
in my movie.
Only movies today.
Yeah, actually.
You're a star, na? You're like a.
He's a star.
मेरा तो
Yeah.
सुन रहे हो producers, जल्दी cast करो
on
मुझे.
this table. Do you realize how many people are staring at you right now?
So did you have a lot of action scenes in the film?
I did, but it wasn't the other kind of action.
No, not her kind of action.
Not her kind of action. You have sex.
You are definitely sure about which action you want, right? To watch.
So my movie is called One Under the Sun, and I play an astronaut in it.
Oh, I've seen the
Are you
pictures.
flying like Santa?
अरे बोलने तो दो से.
I go to Mars, darling. And then I come back from Mars and I become a fugitive on Earth.
Are you serious?
You train
I trained for it, but I didn't see any aliens there. in
ट्रेन
Mars.
जाती है वहाँ.
Train
अच्छा मैं
जाती है.
sorry. Conversation के बीच में ना ऐसे
NASA
होता है.
की train
NASA
जाती
की
है.
train.
I wanted to come to India to promote my other movie, which is Mirror Game, which is actually coming out on the 2nd of June.
Wow.
Parveen Dabas is in it with me.
Omi Vaidya, and me.
Oh, I've done a film with Omi Vaidya.
Yeah.
He's lovely.
He's quite nice.
Lovely to work with.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah. And the entire movie was shot in New York, New Jersey. Hindi, it's in Hindi English. And no songs. It's a very sort of modern kind of a thriller. And yeah, so I'm here to promote that.
You don't miss India?
I miss India. I miss you guys. And I come here very often. I come here at least twice a year. I party with Arjun for New Year's. That is, oh my gosh, that is, I can't tell you, the best New Year's of my life.
And do you know that Arjun is like a party buff? You know that?
He
Yeah, we know.
is a Hannibal. He is a party Hannibal. Daddy
I
is.
thought that about you. Now that I'm getting to see
No, no.
this side.
You don't
I
know this
work-
side of him. Maybe you know that side of Arjun when you met him in HR. Now this
Oh,
side
please.
is from.
Yeah.
But Arjun was really good on the ramp. He was
Yeah?
really, he was one of the best models we had.
Way to
So I think
Thanks, you made my day after all you said.
after all I said. But I never knew Arjun was serious.
She didn't mean serious like serious wala serious.
She was like the model, like HR
Like,
college ka jo model.
That
hai.
way.
Like, how many?
She took it seriously.
I don't know. I had just had pressure off the
How
court.
many girls were following him? I'm asking her.
Me? I was following all the girls. वो तो अभी हो रहा है मासी कॉलेज में मैं ही सबके पीछे था.
ये अभी भी सबके पीछे.
No, college में seriously, it was the other way around. When later on I saw, I'm like, oh God, Arjun, tables have turned यार. गाड़ियाँ बदल गई.
हाँ और क्या.
क्यों मतलब कॉलेज टाइम में तुम लड़कियों को फॉलो करते हो?
नहीं यार मासी ये मजाक कर रही है. इसको एक दो बार किया था बस.
बड़ी गलत बंदी को किया तूने.
बाद में पता चला बंदा है. So it's releasing like all over.
It's an obviously great company.
Is it releasing all over?
It's releasing definitely in India in July.
Okay.
And yes, you have to.
It's going to be interesting actually.
No, it's a good film.
Can we also get to see behind the scenes?
No, there are lots of stories, and I will like share them once, like you know, film like.
We're not rolling.
Yeah.
We're not rolling. Please share.
The only time Mr. Jha came on set was a scene where I was doing a doggy style sex scene.
What is that?
I was doing like a doggy style sex scene.
Oh, doggy style. I said
Yeah.
doggy style. ये
I like it
style.
in like a warehouse, you know, like in
With
like
a girl or with a guy?
with a boy.
Okay.
No, I mean I'm not lesbian in the film. I'm pretty straight up. Okay.
हाँ yeah please.
No. I'm pretty straight up in the film. I'm still from Bhopal.
I think ये सुनने के बाद मुझे dessert चाहिए होगा. खाना तो मुझसे खाया नहीं जाएगा.
And you know, he just came and he was just like, seriously, coordination सही नहीं बैठ रहा है.
तो तूने क्या बोला? मैं कुत्ती हूँ क्या?
You know, and I'm like, you know, after the whole scene got over, you know, I was like, did you just say that? So I'm looking at my co-actor. तू क्या कर रहा है? like, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? तू क्या कर रही है?
You were fighting.
Yeah, I mean, I was just like,
But obviously they enacted now. Even we do that.
I mean, come
Yeah, but
on.
not while such a scene. Yeah, you can't fight.
No, but my co-actor was the most fantastic boy in this
Who
world.
is this fantastic boy?
Vikrant Massey. I think I
Vikrant
love
Massey.
that.
अच्छा विक्रांत. Okay.
He's the best thing ever that happened to me ever. Best
He's a nice guy. yeah.
He's the
Vikrant
most
Massey.
amazing
Is he
and he's a
related to
fantastic
Messi
actor.
by any chance?
No, he's not. He's not.
He's not
a nice
Messi.
guy.
No, he's a nice guy. He's a
He's
nice guy.
fantastic.
Yeah, he is.
And he's a really splendid actor. Like he's a delight to work with.
He's nice.
Yeah, he's
So
fantastic.
you're saying that you didn't get the scene right? And
Yeah, so we were not getting it right because the coordination नहीं बैठ रहा था.
coordination like that.
I was just like, I don't understand what he means. We'll try.
But ऐसे सीन में बैठने की बातें क्यों?
Arjun, I don't know where the conversation is going.
Pooja is going live now. I'm sure.
I'm doing Snapchat.
Oh, nice. What's up, guys?
If I'm getting like yours.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
You don't have network. Yeah, otherwise you could have done Instagram live. Yeah. You would have-
Yeah, really, I want to see what is this Instagram.
Nothing. You just go live. Yeah. See.
Okay, now let's
Acha,
talk about
listen.
something else.
Acha Chanda,
Yeah.
Chanda, you tell us.
What are you doing? Can I have some wine?
Nothing. I'm a full-time mom of a 4-year-old boy.
But she's got a very, very cute son who's also my son because Chanda is my sister-in-law, Ahana.
Oh, really? I didn't know this.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
how cute.
so we are actually
Doing a show together
sisters.
now. Yeah.
And we're also doing show together.
Which
and
one?
she has her own show called Check-In with Chandana. I asked her, requested her to do this, and she's gracious enough to do that show for me. And
Check
she's
in with
doing it
Chandana.
so beautifully on her own. Thanks, Chandana. Thanks so much.
I want to make a show.
Because
Check out with Arjun.
She coordinates her own story, so it's her mindset, it's her liking.
what is it- what is
her,
it-
She,
what
her
is the show about?
beliefs. So I wanted to call it Soulful Diva, but she said no, keep something else, and then make
she
this other
called it
name.
this. So whatever I believe in, basically. So I used to be an actor earlier, and now
You're still
I've
an actor,
graduated to being a mom, and so I see life a little differently now. So whatever I believe in and whatever touches me, I go and shoot with those kind of people and like-minded things, and yeah, that's
It's
about it.
amazing.
Come
And
shoot
it's turned
me,
out
huh?
very
So
beautiful.
would it be like
And
about
it's
food
turned
or
out-
like any?
We are not like-minded ever,
Chandana,
Chandana.
please watch it on our show. Yeah. Chandana,
You never came and shot with me.
watch it on our
Yes,
show.
please
Yeah, I
check
should.
in with Chandana and travel with Dipti Bhatnagar.
Yes.